Hello, everyone. Last week, I had the chance to join our virtual wellness experience supporting World Mental Health Day. I enjoyed talking with Wellness Experience co-founder and Grammy-nominated artist Jewel, and listening to our very own Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Mark Watkins, share insights on mental and physical wellness. It really was a great reminder and just a great experience. And if you didn't have a chance, I would suggest you go look at it. At Kroger, we believe in food as medicine. And this event reinforced that now more than ever, it's important to focus on eating fresh, healthy food, exercising, and taking care of your mental health. And I know personally, those things really tie together because I find when I'm exercising, it also helps me on my mental health as well. It can be incredibly hard to find time to put yourself and your health first. And I encourage all of our associates to take advantage of all the great benefits we have, including mental health and other support resources through our Associate Wellbeing Assistant. It's also important to continue practicing healthy habits like more frequent cleaning and hand washing, staying home if you're sick, and wearing a mask when you shop with us or out and about in public. And don't forget, both our customers and associates can get a flu shot. It only takes a minute, and you can schedule an appointment online at krogerhealth.com. And I know I got my flu shot a few weeks ago. When you stop in and get your flu shot, remember Sweetest Day is this Saturday, October 17th. Share the love with those around you and be sure to stop in our stores or order through pickup or delivery to get a beautiful flower arrangement. Our florists are amazingly talented, and they always just wow me with their amazing work. I know my wife loves it when I bring home fresh flowers, and we have all the candy, balloons, cards, baked goods, and of course the freshest ingredients that you'll need to make that special meal and celebrate with those you love. And if you don't celebrate Sweetest Day, take a moment to join us and spread some kindness just by making someone smile during these incredibly difficult times. It's how we live our purpose and feed the human spirit by helping those around us have a better day. And when you help somebody else have a better day, you get to have a better day. To our customers, thank you for shopping with us and helping keep everyone safe by wearing a mask while you're shopping in our stores. And to our amazing associates, a huge thank you for all you continue to do to be there for our customers and communities when they need us the most.